Hey guys, I'd like to show you a quick utility that I found online. It's a Chrome extension. It is called Scribe, and when you install it, what it does is it takes the clicks that you do on a screen and it turns it into a training document. So let's see how that works. So I clicked on the extension, and this is the site I want to be on, and so I'll click Start Recording. And it's capturing the screen. It is not capturing the audio. So we're just going to click Started. Select Choose Time. A couple things on the screen here. I'm not going to actually book a meeting. So that should be enough for the demonstration. And then you'll go down here to show controls. And you can either pause it if you're going to add more things to it, or you can just complete it. We'll go ahead and complete it. And this is what it spits out. So it tells you that you navigate to zenphi.com, click on Get Started, but I actually clicked on, I did click on Get Started, correct. Get Started, yep. Click on Get Started, click Choose Time. And now this one says click 16, so we can edit that and we can just say like, select a date. And then the next one you could do, edit that one and do select a time. All right, so then over here on the right hand side, we've got a couple tools we can use. So if we go to either step actions, and I'm going to click on magic merge, and we will just do merge steps. Let's go. It's going to combine the similar steps, so you can see that it combined select a date and select a time. All right, and it just will flip between those two slides on the thing. So let's see what the link looks like. If you were to get a link, or you could print it or whatever. So we're going to paste the link here. And that's what spits it out. So navigate to zenphi.com. Step 2, click Get Started. Step 3, click Choose Time. Step 4, select date and time. And there you have it. It created a training doc just by the mouse clicks on your screen. It's pretty awesome.